Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over the Maytag washers and dryers with the extra power. What is it and do you need it? The short answer is to what it is everything is turned on live, full go. It's cranking out as high as it can. That doesn't mean that your cycle is going to end quicker. It's going to be a shorter cycle. It just makes it less energy efficient. Like I said, everything's full go live, full blast, it's going. And that's good if you have heavy stains, stuff like that. You could use that to help really get those soaked in stains out. Same thing with the dryers, cranks up the heat, cranks up everything else. This is our washer right here, so if you wanted it on just a normal setting, you'd set it to the setting, hit power or hit extra power, and then your start button, and then it's just kicking everything on. And like I said, pretty much what that does is make it less energy efficient. Do you necessarily need it? In my personal opinion, I do not, but it just depends on you as a user or a consumer, what you need out of a washer dryer set and what you need for your family. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.